Yeah,
Bam.
check out that beauty. Talk YouTube, top of the morning to you. It's right now, it's Sunday morning, and as always, when we're making videos, it tends to rain. Yes, and it's raining again. Okay. Anyway, what we actually have planned for today is I will be working on EJ. I will be changing the tranny fluid. Finally, gonna go with the Uncle Scotty's cocktail mix. Got a synchro mesh, two 2090s, and red line heavy shockproof. Let's see how that goes. I've been reading online that they said if you have crunching gears, grinding gears, it will lower the crunching significantly. So I will be testing that out. Also, the busted Subaru is here. We will be changing the coil packs from him. He's still running on 3 cylinders. He will be testing my coil packs on this car and see if that's the real issue. And in the back, Aria is also here. We will be finally upgrading it with the Ford Cannon, right?
The HKS Ford Cannon. Wait, let me get it.
Safe awa ka, Robin? Admiring my car.
That's how we say hello in Suriname. Pawaka.
So yeah, pretty busy day today. We're still waiting on the rain to let up because we cannot work in the rain. Oh, wow. And no harder.
It's really getting it. A lot of dog here. It's been sitting a while, so
Yeah.
bam.
Check out that beauty. Gonna go rocket launcher on that beach. Okay, so we've already changed this side coils. I've put mine here. We'll be starting the car right up. Hopefully that's the issue, so he can buy some new coils. And in the back, Dano is getting ready.
Well, that went well.
Whoa!
I have no idea how that happened.
So people, safety tip, never use this kind of Chinese jacks. These jacks are, oh my god. No mang, ni mang, asang faux.
So I lifted this side of the wheel, and both tires were lifted off the ground. So there was no more, how do you call it? So there was no more support on the other side.
Yeah,
so,
support.
So when we lifted it up, it kind of hang on this side, and then hung, kinda hung on this side. And then it just shifted on this side. So
It shifted this way.
Yeah, it shifted
No,
this
maar
way.
toch, dit mag niet gebeuren. Je kan ook duidelijk zijn materiaal nog boom. Materiaal nog stevig niet man. Ibainga. When you use these jacks, always use jack stands. Never use these jacks while working under your car. You'll be working with death itself. Yeah, anyway, as I was saying, he is going to be moving his pea shooter, and we will be replacing that pretty soon with the rice cannon. Yo, that went well.
That went well.
Ay, kisa stand back.
No. There you go.
Saan sarap? Trisem. Okay, so guys, apparently the coil packs weren't the issue. We've swapped it 2 ways, 3 ways, 4 ways, crossways, and it didn't still make a difference. The next option we're leaning to is the O2 sensor. He apparently already did order the O2 sensor for this car, so he will be updating us pretty soon when it's arrived and when it's installed it, because it's a weird issue. It keeps running on 3 cylinders. if you guys have any comments on that, or if you have any experience on that issue, leave your comment below and we'll check it out. Help save the busted scoop.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so Dano has just removed the pea shooter and we will be test fitting the rice cannon on its meant to be position.
It should be like this. A bit higher, maybe.
No, you want it angled up or angled sideways, you know, the real rice people, you know. And this is his original muffler. Oh my god, check out the fabrication.
That is not a muffler, that is a resonator. That is actually a resonator used as a muffler.
Budget muffler.
No restriction
whatsoever. Okay, in the meantime, I've also loosened my transmission bolt. It's leaking right now. I'm letting it sit to get all the fluids out. Okay, so Dano will be reversing area to the back. Robin will be reversing.
No muffler.
Oh yeah, the sound with no muffler. Boy, this all make your body, boy. Talk net, a silent. For a car with no muffler, it's kind of silent. Ano make your body, oh? Yung reward sa wagi ko era.
RPM.
Siya auto. Okay, so this is the tranny juice. Uy.
Yeah.
Looks like metal shavings.
Yep, there is metal shavings. It's magnetic, no?
Yep, magnetic. We got metal shavings in my
There's a lot of metal shavings there. Look at this.
significantly.
Yeah, significant.
I hope Uncle Scotty will save the day. Okay, so time to fill the transmission, but I don't have the funnel. The next best thing is to make your own filler.
What the hell is that?
I have used the cap of one of the bottles. I've cut it open and just wrenched the piece of hose in it to length. Put it in like this. Yeah, hold it in like that, and you just fill it up. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta get a little funnel.
What? Ada siapa?
Yeah, there's. Oh wait, yes.
Yeah. I'll go.
I have to cut it.
Meanwhile, still busy with the exhaust and need to weld this on.
I hope this works. It has to work. Synchro mesh. Cut this open. Fill it. Boop, blip. Just like that.
We need some air in the bottle and
Just a snip.
just a snip.
Yep, and there she goes.
Nice.
Inodruk. Tapos langsung mo pa memang. You kahori, ya.
Hi.
Minefatroja.
Okay.
So now we're making a funnel.
Because the other one doesn't have a
The
tip
nip.
like that.
The tip.
So we're gonna use this one as the funnel.
Just the tip. Just the tip.
Right, so that's the funnel. And we're putting the red line shockproof heavy duty. What? Heavy shockproof, no? Heavy shockproof next.
Heavy duty.
Okay. Wow, that is
Pink.
that oil is pretty. Very pretty. It's very pretty, man. It's like dawat.
Wanna taste it?
No. It smells... Wacht, dat moet toch niet schudden of zo?
Nope. Schud dat even nu.
All the additives. I gotta shake it.
Shake before use.
Oh yeah. Oeh. Alles moet erin zetten, hè? Allemaal. Like letterlijk alles.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot of oil. Okay, so we're going to be cutting off a piece of the bumper so that the bigger exhaust can fit. With a jigsaw.
Two lens chop shop.
Let it rip.
Chopping it.
Wow.
Nicely done.
That's a professionally done.
I give myself a 10 out of 10.
At diameter. Ooh,
Hey,
that is nice.
perfect fit. Perfect fit. Yeah.
Getting the mounts. Ano luso?
Okay, so guys, it's done. The final product. The rice cannon has been installed. Now to start it up and
Dude, that's nice. That's so nice.
rice mode on.
No,
Little bit.
no, it is perfect. It's perfect. It's nice. So guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And we will see you in the next video later.